Meet the Snapper ERX96, our first fully electric riding mower. Clean, quiet, and refreshingly simple to use, it's designed to make everyday lawn care easier, especially for small to medium-sized gardens. And it does that while staying true to its roots. Inspired by the classic Snapper riders that started it all, the ERX96 brings that familiar feel into a new electric era. Powered by advanced 72-volt lithium iron phosphate battery technology, it delivers reliable, consistent performance without the usual maintenance. No fuel, no oil changes, you just charge and go. On a single charge, you can cover up to 5,000 square meters. And when it's time to recharge, the included fast charger gets you back to 100% in just 2 hours. The 96-centimeter cutting deck, powered by two 1,000-watt electric motors, gives you smooth, even results across your lawn. Choose side discharge for quick, efficient cutting, or pop in the mulching plug to finely recycle clippings back into the lawn, helping to retain moisture and return nutrients naturally. And when you're done, the built-in washout port makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. With its compact design and traditional steering wheel layout, the ERX96 feels familiar from the moment you sit down. It's easy to maneuver, comfortable to use, and built to handle everyday mowing with ease. Everything is designed to be simple and within reach. A clear display keeps you informed, the adjustable seat keeps you comfortable, and practical touches like a cup holder and onboard storage make each mowing session that bit easier. And when the light starts to fade, the integrated headlights help you finish the job. So if you're ready to go electric, the Snapper ERX96 gives you the no-nonsense feel of a traditional rider, but now with less noise, less maintenance, and no fuss. Visit snapper.eu to learn more or find your local dealer.